TWC Dimension has acquired worldwide rights to Intrepid Pictures' supernatural thriller The Bye-Bye Man, based on the short story The Bridge to Body Island by Robert Damenschneck, a writer of paranormal tales. That story chronicles the harrowing events experienced by 3 Wisconsin college students in the early 1990s. No other details were announced, but Jonathan Penner, Let the Devil Wear Black, adapted the script and Stacy Title will direct. TWC Dimension said there is a proceed to production commitment on this one. Related Wolverine scribe Mark Bomback to write Veronica's Room for TWC Dimension. There are only a few truly scary and iconic characters within this genre, and we think The Bye-Bye Man has the potential to be the next one, said Matthew Siner, EVP Production and Creative Affairs at TWC Dimension. Trevor and Stacy will be great partners in bringing this fantastic and terrifying script to the screen.